What is up, guys? Welcome to Moto XM3 Winter. Okay, so I played through the entire first. I did one episode on Moto XM3, just like the regular one, and then I did a second episode where I covered the rest of the game, but then I don't know what happened, but it got corrupted and I couldn't post it, so I couldn't upload it or anything. So I'm not going to do the entire game again, so I'm just going to move on to a new Moto XM3. Let's do this. Okay, level 1. I've never played Moto XM3 Winter before, so I have no idea what to expect. Ooh! That's cool. I get rocket boosts now? Wee! Don't need those ropes. I've already learned the ropes. Sucker! Oh, that counts as a flip? I guess it technically was a flip. Woo! Look at me go! Whoa! 3 stars! I'm a master. I mean, I know that was literally the first level. Boing, 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 boing. Oh, that's cool. It's like wind. Let's do this. No! Oh, I forgot I can't die on the ropes. No, I can die on that, but why was it not doing it? What? Okay, boing. Okay, then I was coming up here and it wasn't working. The button to flip over was not working. That's annoying. Woo! Flip. Oh no! Oh my god! That was close. Whoa! Right into the action. Yeah, you can't surprise me. I was ready. I was ready, sucker. Woo! I wonder if TNT can kill you in this game. I haven't actually tried that. Oh, you got nothing on me, boy. Oh, so TNT can't kill you. It's impossible for TNT to kill you. Oh no. Whoa! What? That was epic. Another 3 stars. Whoa, I'm doing really good. Better than I did on the last games. I know it's only the first couple levels, but I'm doing better than the first couple levels of the other game. Okay. Whoa! TNT? No! I didn't see that coming! I thought I could just run it. Ah, you little frick. Yeah! Okay, I need to stop. Oh, we're riding a sled. That's cool. Wee. Okay, now it says I should go this way? Oh, yeah. Good tip. And another 2 stars. This way. Whoa. Don't really wanna. Okay. What? I love the graphics of this game. I think it's pretty cool. As soon as I get the Xbox app on my mom's phone, or a phone that I could buy or something, once I start getting an allowance, then I will start recording videos from my Xbox, and I have an idea for the first game I want to do. But one way. Whoa, that's cool. Look at this. Woo. Okay. Ouch! Does that boost my speed when I'm on that? Because I was just doing that. Then when I braked, it kept going. Oh yeah, you got nothing on me. Whoa! Oh no. No. Yeah, baby. Blow up. Blow up. Yes. Okay, I didn't get any stars, but I can definitely see how this is going to get interesting. It hasn't gotten too rage-inducing yet. What? No, 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 you can't touch me, sucker! Woo! Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no! No! How is that possible? I think I know what to do. Okay, now while the rocket is still going, then we need to boost up here. Oh my gosh, I was like an inch away from that spike thing. Do they do like racetracks like this? I mean, I know they wouldn't do it as intense as this, but do they do like racetracks that are like really intense? Like, do they have... they probably do. I mean, I've seen it on TV, but the things that you see on TV aren't exactly dangerous. Hold brake. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, now that's gonna break, and that's gonna break, and that... Oh my gosh, those are spikes. I'm just realizing that the spikes are made of ice. Huh, that's funny. And not a goal. Okay, I didn't realize that we wouldn't be able to get the goal there. Okay, and okay, and okay. Woo! Okay, no stars. It's okay. Okay, wee. I do have an idea for a game that I am going to post on YouTube eventually once I figure out how to, like, post it. How am I supposed to survive that? Okay, all those. Okay. Yeah! I don't feel like a motorcycle would be able to do that. No. Okay. I keep looking at that final motorcycle and thinking it's Master Chief on a mongoose. Wait, are we just gonna do this again? Oh, okay, I see what... Okay. Okay, I failed. Yay! Hooray for me. Okay, I see what I need to do now. So now I need to do a flip here and get some extra time for it. Get this. Whee! Yeah, you can't touch this, buddy. I wonder if there's like a world record for how... Wait, was there TNT in the goal? I want to save up to get a really cool skin. Okay. Whoa, whoa! Okay, that's neat. I like the game. I kind of like how the mechanics of this game work. How is that not slowing me down, like, at all? That didn't slow me down at all. I felt like look, I'm going at regular speed. What the, how am I supposed to catch that and still, okay. Okay, hold the freaking brakes! Ah, it's starting to get a little bit rage-inducing. Starting to drive me insane. Okay, brakes, 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 brakes. Now let's go. No! How? How am I supposed to get that? That's impossible. That's impossible. That's freaking impossible. Ow, ow, congratulations, you have broken me. I now feel like breaking my computer. Oh, I see. It didn't do the right thing those other times, though. Huh. So, I don't think that was me being bad at the game. I think that was the game not working. Okay, let's see if we can afford a new bike. We got 16, takes 40 for Santa, and that's the max. Okay, I am going to get Santa, so let's go, move on to 12. Oh wow, these things just look wrong. No! Frick this! I know what I'm supposed to do. What? Whoa, that's a pretty interesting level. 3 stars. Wow, that was actually really... Oh god, the thing I'm about to go into just looks wrong. Oh god, oh god. No, this is PG-13. I'm going to have to censor this. It's not really that inappropriate, but still. I'm not sure what is and isn't allowed on YouTube. What? Bull. Bull. That is bull. That is officially bull, because I declare it bull. No! Oh, thank God. Oh, I would have been so mad if I wouldn't be able to. I wasn't paying attention and I didn't see those there. Okay. Frick. Okay. Now I see what I'm supposed to do. Whoa. Whoa. Ah! Break this. Wee. Ouch. Woo. By the way, the next episode that I'm going to do is going to feature my cousin, Rose. And I really cannot wait to feature my cousin on my YouTube channel. I'm really excited because I've been talking about this YouTube channel for like 2 years now, and my parents haven't really helped me, so I just yesterday I just decided, okay, I'm gonna set up the YouTube channel. So the night before yesterday's night was I set up my YouTube channel. I got my profile and my profile picture all up, and then the next day I posted like 5 videos just to kind of kick off my thing, and I'm super excited and I'm so happy that I can finally have my own YouTube channel. What? Oh yeah, I'm unbeatable, boy. I can't really... There's no way to turn around in this, is there? Okay. Yeah, I'm recording, so is my class supposed to be... starting right now. Okay. 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 I think that's going to be it for this episode. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my videos, and I'll see you next time.